Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're making one of the neo-classics of the 1990s, one of my preferred ways to drink tequila. This is the Tommy's Margarita. The 100% agave flavor from Olmeca Altos is boosted with the flavor of the agave syrup. Balanced off nicely with that lime, it's a sublime drink. Don't forget, guys, if you are liking all our drinks recipes, click subscribe and you'll get that little bell notification every time we upload. This margarita was born in 1990 in a San Francisco Mexican restaurant. It is the very first drink to be put into the IBA manual. That's the International Bartenders Association manual, which is venue specific. It's a brand new drink. It hit the world and took over the world. The Tommy's Margarita actually substitutes the triple sec for agave syrup. The reason for this purely being that the bartender that created it, he wanted to emphasize the agave flavor and oomph that rather than use triple sec, which highlights the citrus flavor within the original tequila margarita. But also the Tommy's Margarita is always served on the rocks, in a rocks glass, no garnish, no straw. It's straight up. It is a no BS drink.
How do you do it?
How do you do it? Let me show you how you do it. Okay, so as I always say, never drink alone, so we're making two drinks. And we're gonna be wanting a good slug of some great tequila. Try and stick with a white or a platinum tequila. We go for Olmeca Altos. Why? Because it's banging. So we want a good 45 in, like so. Ooh. So we're using silver or platinum or white tequila, whatever you want to call it. You can use other tequilas like Añejo, Reposado if you want, but I personally wouldn't recommend it. Always mix with the white, sip the rest. That's all you got to do. Now we want quite a lot of lime in this, so we're going to go for a nice 30 mils of lime per drink. So we're looking for like 60 mils of lime juice. We've got 50 right there. Another 10. I'm just throwing limes on the floor here, guys. Okay, next up we want 20 mils of agave syrup per drink. So we're gonna put 40 right in. And now, the secret ingredient to make your Tommy's better than any Tommy's on the world. Hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you, guys. Now we're gonna give this a real good shake. Eyes straight. Don't know what's going on with my hands. Eyes straight in. Camera 2, are you trying to do some like 90s footage there? Let's not do that. This is YouTube, bro. 21st century, bro. Okay, we want to take some nice fancy glasses. Because this has got no garnish, no salt rim, no straw, we've gone for the fanciest little rocks glasses we can find. And don't forget, the glass is a garnish, so the nicer the glass, the nicer the drink. We want a good couple of ice cubes in our glass. There we go, that's better. And then we're just gonna strain directly in. Yes. And there we have it, guys, the Tommy's Margarita. Let's get into it. Well done, sir. A fine drink. Again, like I said earlier, no need for a salt rim. No need for a garnish to try and make it look pretty, because once it hits your mouth, you're going to be extremely happy. It's the Tommy's Margarita. I'm Absolut Drinks with Rico. That's Rico. I said that wrong then, didn't I? This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and this, camera 2 with your fingers. This is the Tommy's Margarita. Thank you, guys. That's really good, you know. That's very good. I'm quite impressed with myself.